Okay, now I am going to conduct GK class and I have prepared a game on chapter 1 and 2. Now I will show it to you on the screen that how will you play. I will send you a link. In that link you just need to click and 21 questions I have prepared. You just have to answer one by one. Okay, so let me unmute first at least one student so that I can talk. Okay. First, all of you sit down properly. Some of them are still walking and running. Garima Sharma, what are you doing? Sit down at a place. Garima Sharma. All of you sit down. Okay, let me unmute Adamya Vaibhav. Adamya Vaibhav, unmute yourself. Adamya Vaibhav.
Yes, sir.
Are you listening whatever I am saying? Is there any problem regarding voice clarity?
No, sir.
Okay, now tell me, in the offline classes, till which chapter I have completed?
Sir, in GK.
Yes, in GK.
Sir, lesson 5.
Okay, till lesson 5 I have completed. Okay, Garima Sharma, what has happened to your hand? Garima Sharma, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
What has happened to your hand?
It is
How it's broken? You fell down.
Yes, sir. I will play. I will fall down.
Okay, during playing you fell down and you broke your hand.
Yes, sir.
When it happened? When it happened?
Sir, 4 a plate.
4th of April. Okay, so now everybody listen. I have prepared a question and answer game. Let me show you on the screen. I'm going to open it. I will send you a link. In that link, you just need to click and you can start appearing the test. 21 question I have prepared. Let me show you. And keep yourself unmuted, Adamya Vaibhav. Okay, let me unmute then someone else. Pragati Khetan, you unmute yourself. Pragati Khetan.
Yes, sir.
Keep yourself unmuted. Garima Sharma and Pragati Khetan. Both of you will be unmuted. Okay. Don't
Okay,
touch
sir.
your mobile again and again. Pragati Khetan, no, don't touch. Okay, now see on your screen. I am showing it to you. I am showing you the game. How will you play it? On chapter 1 and chapter 2, all questions are there. All questions I have prepared. Just now I have typed. I have taken extra effort of typing. It took 1 hour. Okay, so you please listen and see it here. I'm going to show it to you on the screen. I just will send you a link. See, link is here. It would be written like that, quizzes. You just need to click. When you will click, that page will open. Okay, which page will open? Let me show you. This page will open. This page will open, quizzes. It is mentioned like that, quizzes and this. Are you able to see, Garima Sharma?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then you need to write your name over here. My name is written, but you need to write your name. Suppose I am writing Garima Sharma. Garima, Garima Sharma. You have to write Garima Sharma, your name. Each and everybody has to write his or her name. Then you need to click start. Okay. What will you click? Where will you click then? Start. Where will you click? Start. Okay. Then click start. Then first question will appear. Now tell me the answer of all the questions. Adamya Vaibhav, unmute yourself and tell me answer one by one. Question will appear. Adamya Vaibhav, unmute yourself. Okay, keep yourself unmuted. Whatever I will ask, you need to answer. Okay, Adamya.
Yes, sir.
I am getting the message
Yes,
your
sir.
internet connection is unstable. I don't know why. Here you will get some messages, means tap next to proceed. You just click got it. Then here you will see the question. Okay. You just click here next. I have written the heading 5A GK chapter 1 to 5. But I have included chapter 1 and 2 question only answer. Okay, music also will be played in the background, but you just need to click next here. Here, see the next button, it is triangle in shape. You just click it here. When you will click, so you the first question. Flower which has a religious significance for Hindus. Tell me correct answer. Tell me correct answer.
Sir, lotus.
Yes, you need to click lotus. Then you see the correct answer. Garima Sharma is playing, so your also name will be visible here. Now next question you have got. One flower of medicinal value. Tell me the correct answer. One flower of medicinal value. Tell me answer.
Sir, tomato flower.
No. Rose is the correct answer. One flower of medicinal value. What is the correct answer? I think rose. Is the correct. Okay, nutritious flower which can be eaten. What is the correct answer?
Sir, dahlia. Sir, dahlia.
Dahlia is wrong answer. I think dandelion. But you are saying dahlia. Let me check. This is wrong. Dandelion is the correct answer. Dandelion is the correct answer. Okay, an ornamental flower used as hair ornament. Which is the correct one? Tell me answer.
Sir, tuberose. Sir, tuberose.
Click tuberose. Tuberose is the correct answer. Okay. Okay, now an edible flower. An edible flower.
Sir, cauliflower. Flower. Sir, cauliflower.
Okay, cauliflower. So let me check. Cauliflower is the correct answer. And those who are drawing, their name is visible here. Ronak Yadav. Write the name of your Ronak Yadav, Garima Sharma and Ananya Vaibhav. Write the name of Ronak Yadav. When school will reopen, I will take him to the father and father will give him TC. And tell me the answer.
Yes, sir.
A flower used for medicinal purposes in Ayurveda. Which one is the correct answer?
Sir, pandanus. Pandanus. Pandanus.
Okay, Pandanus is the correct answer. Very good. So next question, a beautiful flower which grows in water. Tell me answer.
Lychee. Sir, lotus.
Lotus. Lotus. Pragati Khetan, you also can say. If you know, you also can say, okay. All amphibians have backbone. True or false? Chapter 2. From chapter 2, I am asking.
True.
True. Okay, let me. Okay, correct. Frogs breathe through gills. In place of gills, I have written fills. First, you listen. In place of gills, I have written fills. This is the typing mistake. Okay. So, what is the correct answer?
Okay, sir. False.
Very good. Okay. All amphibians have thin, slimy skin. Which one is the correct? True or false? Which one is correct?
True. Sir,
Okay. Fish are examples of amphibians. True or false?
False. False.
Okay.
False.
All amphibians are herbivorous.
Sir, false. Sir, false.
Okay. Frogs and toads breathe through their skin. True or false?
True. Sir, true.
Very good. Salamanders are fishers and not amphibians.
Sir, false. False.
Young ones of amphibians live in water and they breathe through their gills.
True. True. Sir, true. Sir, true.
Okay. Some frogs are extremely poisonous.
Sir, true. Sir, true.
Lizards are amphibians.
Sir, false. Sir, false.
Salamanders have tongues which are just a few centimeters their body size.
Sir, false. 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 False.
Okay, this one is also correct. Some amphibians grow back their limbs lost during a fight.
Sir, true. Sir, true.
Okay. A flower which has a religious significance for Hindus.
Lotus. Lotus.
All done. When you will complete all question, then in this way you will get this page. Means your name would be written Garima Sharma. Then 95% correct. Play again till you get 100% mastery. So you can play again and again. Okay. And if you will scroll down this page, when you will scroll down this page, so performance stats you can see from here. Review you can see. If you will click review, so you will come to the first page and you can see your performance over here. So in this way you can play. So I have prepared this game just because all of you, and I will send this link in your WhatsApp group now. So all of you are in class 5 now. So I will send in campus care. And in the group also I will send. And from there you just will click and you can start playing. And in this way you will learn question and answer also. Okay. Okay, music also will be going on in the background. You just play, and in this way you can learn also. This is very easy. If someone has any problem, someone has got any question, raise your hand in the chat box and have a conversation with me. If someone has any problem, Rimmi Nayak, unmute yourself. Rimmi Nayak, you understood? Rimmi Nayak, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Any problem? You understood?
No, sir.
Okay, very good. And now I will give you next 5 chapters to learn as homework. First, you people play that game. You complete that all 21 question. Then I will show you your result also. I will show you your result also. And you can play this game anytime, again and again. In this way, you will learn also. Ayush, you understood any problem? Ayush, unmute yourself. Any problem?
No, sir.
Okay, you got the link. Have you got that link?
Yes, sir.
Okay, who are present in the class? Let me call all of them. All of their names. Let me call. So Adamya Vaibhav, Ayush, Garima, Khitan, Arav Kumar, Abhinav Jaydev, Aradhana Chaudhary, Aditya Raj, Ayush 5C, Chaitanya Dev, Ishika Kumari, Harshit Raj, then Jisha B. Marandi, Kumar, Abhinav, Mantasha Mukhtar, Mayank Keshri, Mauli Singh, Prachi Kumari R, Prince Raj, Rimmi Nayak, Ria Marodia, then Sama Shaurya and Shail Sinha, then Shivam Kumar, Sushant Kumar, Simran Kumari, Yash Kumar and Shubham Kumar. So almost 30 students or 29 students are there in the class today. So if you have got any problem, you may ask, raise your hand in the chat box. I will clear your doubt. I will remove your doubt. If you have to ask something, you may ask. You are free to ask. There is no problem in that, asking a question. I will show you your result also. Let me open.
Sir, I have completed.
Okay, how many points you have collected?
Sir, 7,000.
7,000 you have collected. Adamya Vaibhav, you are saying. Okay, let me show you. Okay, let me show you on the screen who has got what. See, let me show you here. Molly Singh is on top now, right now, with 100% accuracy. With 100% accuracy, Molly Singh is on top. She has attempted one attempt. Score 18,000 she has got. Then after that, Harshit Raj is there. Then Arav Kumar, Adamya, then you are there. Then Prachi Kumari 90% accuracy, and Adamya 95% accuracy. Then Mayank Keshri is there with 90% accuracy, and you have made 3 questions wrong. Whatever questions you are making wrong, that also you can check from here. So Sama Shaurya, 3 questions she has made wrong. Tanya Dev also 17 questions she has corrected. Then my name is also written. I just have played just for checking. Okay.
Checking कर रहे हैं.
Then Garima Sharma, Aradhana, Pragati Khetan, Ishika Kumari, then Abhinav Jaydev, Kumari, Abhinav, then Harsh. Harsh has made 11 wrong answer. See, Harsh has made 11 wrong answer. Then Shal Sinha has has made 9. Shivam Kumar 9. Prince Raj 5. Prince Raj 7. Yash Kumar 5. Ria Marodia 4. Ronak Kumar. See how you have done. Then Prachi Kumari, Trisha, Mantasha. What Mantasha is doing, I don't know. Then Abhinav Jaydev, Anupriya Kumari. Okay.
Sir, I will also completed.
Those who have completed, very good. So now you will practice at your home like that. Result I will show you in your next classes. Now come to the homework section. What homework I am giving you for the next classes. Now you listen, all of you. Next homework is from chapter 6 to 10. 5 lessons I am giving you homework. Chapter 6, chapter 7, chapter 8, chapter 9 and chapter 10. Let me open the book on the screen and let me make it clear. Let me open the book.
Mama.
Let me open the book. See, chapter 6, wildlife quiz. This is the homework. You mark on that page. Lesson number 6 is homework. You learn all the question and answers here on chapter 6, means lesson 6, wildlife quiz. Then chapter 7, flightless bird. I will make question and answer on this given exercises. Then lesson number 8, new 7 wonders of the world. Then lesson number 9, famous teenagers. And lesson number 10, world largest. These 5 lessons are your next homework. Lesson number 6, lesson number 7, lesson number 8, lesson number 9, lesson number 10. These 5 lessons are your next homework. All of you need to write one time in your HW copy with beautiful handwriting. In your HW copy, lesson number 6, lesson number 7, lesson number 8, lesson number 9 and 10. And all of you need to learn also. In this way, I will prepare a game and means test. I also can conduct the test also. Okay. Garima Sharma,
Sir.
brother. Garima Sharma, he is your brother.
Sir, 6 to 10 in copy writing also.
Yes. In your copy, you need to write also in your HW copy, and you need to learn also. Understood?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
All of you need to learn also. Okay. Now tell me, anyone has got any question? Anyone has to ask something to me? Those who need to ask to me, raise your hand. I will ask. I will talk to them. Anyone has got any question? Chaitanya Dev, you understood? Any problem? Chaitanya Dev?
No.
Any problem, Chaitanya Dev?
No, sir.
Okay. Next homework. What is your next homework? Tell me. What is the next homework? Tell me. Pragati Khaitan, tell me what is your next homework? Pragati Khaitan.
Write chapters 8, 9, 10 copy.
And learn also. Okay. Okay, so today till here only.
Sir, GK copy कितना है? ये 6, 7, 8, 9.
Yes, in your GK HW copy. In your GK HW copy, you need to write. Okay, bye everybody. I have unmuted to all of you. Bye everybody.
Bye, sir.
Sir, there is another sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir. Bye, sir. Bye, sir. Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Okay, someone was asking to me something. Shivam Kumar. Okay, unmute yourself, Shivam Kumar. Tell me.
सर जीके का कॉपी में लिखना है.
Yes, GKHW copy.
ओके सर.
Garima Sharma. Okay, tell me, Garima Sharma.
8 to 10 chapter or 8 to 9?
6 to 10. 6 to 10. Chapter 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6 to 10.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay. Okay, then bye.